Hi there, my name is Kyle Kunicki and I am here on behalf of Makers Mercantile to share with you the top 5 things you need to know about today's newsletter. Item number 1, Simply Worsted. Simply Worsted is a 55% superwash merino, 28% acrylic, and 17% nylon, ta-da, yarn, of course, that comes in lots and lots of colors. It happens to be 20% off through the end of the month. It is fantastic for textural pieces, gives really good stitch definition. And because it's worsted weight, it works up pretty quickly. It's awesome as well for crochet. So if you want to make a really fun striped crochet blanket, you could go right to town and save, like I said, through the end of the month. Also on our newsletter, in our newsletter today, we did Free Pattern Tuesday, because normally we give our patterns away on Friday, as you know, but the Twice as Nice Cowl, which is over here, is a pattern that uses Simply Worsted. So we thought, why not give you a gift of a pattern that uses 2 hanks of Simply Worsted. So you could buy the yarn, make a thing, enjoy making it, and then wrap it up and give it, perhaps as a gift either to someone that you care about or someone you care about most, yourself. Item number 2, Locked Floats. That class that I will be leading is probably the last one I will lead for the year on this subject. Of course, I'll do it again. It's one of my favorite topics, as many of you know. It is going to happen on Saturday, November 21st from 9 to 11 Pacific time. And in the workshop, which is a 2-hour live event, you will have a collection of materials, which we will have sent to you. And you will practice right along with me as I show you the different steps that are necessary to lock floats, both working on the right side and wrong side of the fabric. It is a fun class. There's lots to learn. We will be closing that class offering in a couple days, so be sure to sign up while there is still space. Item number 3 is the FlexiFlip Dual Needle Case. So let me open this up. The Dual Needle Case is a rolled style case with, this time, the Foxpaw pattern, which is a pattern by Zandy Peters. So Zandy actually knitted the sample, photographed it, and then we manipulated it into this colorway. Inside this case, it won't include the needles, sorry, but it does include places for the extra long or the longer size, like the Rocket Square Flexi Flips, as well as down here, let's see, here's some, the standard size smaller sits as well. So these cases are made here in our shop where the fabric is printed, cut, and sewn by our team right here in Kent, Washington, just outside of Seattle. And so we do have a few of these already made up, ready to go. If we happen to sell out of the ones that we've already made, please allow us a few days to print and cut and sew one of these just for you. So that is item number 3. Item number 4. Those of you who joined us last week at our weave-in know that Cynthia Gerald, who's our amazing weaving instructor, has come up with the Hippie Galaxy weaving kit. And Hippie Galaxy happens to be the name of a collection of yarn. It is the Lola Bobble Box colorway Hippie Galaxy that is joined with 2 cones of 8-2 cotton, this really beautiful black cotton. And I'm gonna go a little close so you can kind of see, la la la. This is one, I believe, one strand of the 8-2 cotton in black carried along with the rainbow, and it makes this really awesome shawl. So you get enough yarn to make 1 shawl, 2 shawls. So this is another one. So you also get a ball of Extra Classe by Zitron, and I say it wrong all the time. But that is a really lovely mohair. So you get to make another shawl, another shawl, another shawl. That just keeps going and going. Big shawl. And actually there's enough yarn left to make a third, another third shawl. So There is a lot of weaving to be done using this kit. It is priced really well. Information is in our newsletter. And if you join us for our next Weave In, you will be able to talk with Cynthia. She can give you information about how she went about making those shawls. We probably will have the third one woven and off the loom by then. So that will be really exciting. That's item number 4. Item number 5, we have some cotton fabric. We always try to talk about fabrics as well. This time we have this one here, which is called Bundled Up. And these are 100% cotton. We thought that the small print would be really great for masks. We are all wearing masks still. And then there's this guy here called Cuddled Up. Cuddled Up. And it's sort of just a little dashy woven basket weavy sort of pattern. It really looks a lot like a woven basket to me. But it would make a really lovely mask, or, you know, whatever it is that you might want to make with these really new fabrics. So these are both by AGF. Like I said, I believe 100% cotton. I know they're 100% cotton. Not sure if I said it. That is item 5. Now, Karen's not here, obviously, so I'm going to go into item number 6 because I have more things to say. Vogue Knitting Live starts on Wednesday with a preview. There's a new thing called Super Pass, so you can go onto their website and see more about what that is. But Wednesday through Saturday, I will be here doing some kind of either a demonstration or hosting our marketplace, so check that out. And item number 7, tonight is Maker's Night. So this is our hangout with our fellow customers and our friends, our fellow makers all over the world. And tonight we are delighted to invite Ellen Thomas of the Chili Dog. She's one of our designers. She does some work for us, which is really wonderful. She's going to be with us talking about some of the cross crafting that she does. We encourage you to bring whatever kind of crafty inspiration you have. Join us from 6 to 7 p.m. tonight on Zoom. It's virtual, and all the information is in the links in our newsletter. So gosh, 1 through 7, I think that is it. So have a fantastic week. Keep safe and dry. It's raining here in Seattle right now, and I will see you on Friday with another 5 things that you will need to know about that newsletter. Have a fantastic week, everyone. Bye-bye.